Good. So hello friends and aspiring traders. Good evening. So welcome all of you to the second webinar of Axiary. Okay, very good. So we will start the webinar. First of all, a few words about myself. Midun here. I'm basically from India, but I'm living in Dubai currently with family. So I have been trading the forex and commodities for the past 12 years. Actually, my mother was in the stock market for 30 years. So after my birth itself, I'm seeing my mother doing the stock market trading and everything. So that was really inspiration for me to coming into this field. Oh, okay. So I have trained more than 400 traders in India and UAE. So last year, my company Midun's Money Market got one of the prestigious award from Silicon India. Okay, a bit about me. Okay. Yeah. So we'll move to the today's topic. I think hope you already understand from the first webinar that how the forex market works. Now let us see what we require to trade the currencies. So basically it's a platform to buy and sell the currencies. So most of the brokers use Mt4, and Axiary has two platforms, Metadata 4 and CTrader. So we will discuss both platforms. Okay. And anyone in this group are all currently trading? You know Mt4? How is it like? Okay, demo account. Okay, good. Okay, fine. Okay. So if you want, you can take a just this webinar is recorded, but for your personal purpose, you can just have a notebook or a notepad. You can just note down the important points if you want. Okay. So the first thing is like how to open the live account or the demo account. Okay. For that one, I will show you can go to the brokers, any of the brokers platform. I will show you here. You can go to the axiary.com. Can you see the stop sharing? I'm just trying to show you the screen. Yeah. You can go to the axiary.com, and if there you can see open the demo account. Open the demo account, where you can click on your details and give your email. So you will get an username and password to your email ID. So with that one, you can download the software and you can log into the platform. Okay. So now I will show you the Mt4 platform. Can you see the platform? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So first we will, once you get the login name, login username and password, this is the Mt4 platform. You can go here, log into trade account. Log into trade account. There you can give the username and password. Can you see my mouse scrolling? Yeah. Okay. So okay. So first we'll let you know about the platforms. There are three types of charts are there. You can see here, this is the bar chart. This is the candlesticks chart. This is the line chart, a line chart. Okay. So which one you mostly like, or which from visual appearance you like? For me, it is a candlesticks. See, it is very easy to see the patterns and everything. It is called candlesticks. Okay. So now we'll learn how to set the charts. Okay. Initially, when you try to open any chart like this, it will be in the black and the green color. So you can just go to here and zoom here and select the candlesticks, and you can go here, right click to the properties. You can select a color scheme. I usually prefer black on white. So, and if you want to remove this grid, this the square boxes, click here and go again, Control G, or the show grid. So now we can see a very plain and beautiful chart with no indicators, nothing. Even you can save this one. You can save as a template here. You can save a template like this. Save template. I have already saved it. I will just show you for you. So you can save the templates here. And I just call this thing clean chart. So you don't have to do everything repetitively. You can just call the template. Okay, you can design. Actually, when I'm sharing, some windows are not being able to share. Okay, so okay, but you can see here, you can even change the colors also. If you go here, you can make it as green and red as you like. Okay, this is called the chart settings. We are setting the charts for you. Okay. Is it okay? Okay. And the price feed here, you can see the black color, right? You can see a black price is moving. This is the current market price. For example, euro dollar. Okay. So euro dollar's current price is 1.10441. This is the current price of market. If the price is moving up and down, you can see you are playing in a live market. Okay. You're playing in a live market. Okay, now we will see, now the next is how we will see how to take the symbols from the platform. So you can write symbols from the platform. You can go here. See, there are so many pairs are there. So in Forex, we have this many major pairs. There are so many minors. Minors are basically without the dollar. All the majors usually have the dollars crosses, and the minors means usually the dollars won't be there. The other pairs of for Forex. And you can see the metals here from the gold, silver. You can trade the I think. Guys, excuse me, because I'm seeing. Excuse me, I'm just trying to, because when we share through that software, I'm not able to show you that particular window. Okay, just give me a moment. The PPTs are fine, but I'm, I'm trying to share the windows to you. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. This is called the order window. And actually, for me to show you the each window, I need to stop and show. That is only thing. Okay. Excuse me for the delay. Okay. So this is called the order window, where you can place the currencies. Okay. Let me try to share you everything, the full screen. Let me see what comes here. Okay. Okay, fine, perfect. Now I think, hope you can see my mouse and the respective windows, right? Yeah. Okay, fine. Now we are back. So this is the area where we select the currency pairs. As I told you previously, this is the area where we take the measures. So here we have all the USD pairs. For example, euro, dollar, pound, dollar, like that. And this we can take the all the other currency pairs except the dollars. Okay. And here are a few metals like gold, silver, you can take. So in this Mt4 platform is basically a software where you can buy the currencies, forex, or you can buy the metals, you can buy crude oil. We have bitcoins previously, but not now. And you can buy many indices. For example, DAX. You know what is DAX? DAX. Yeah. DAX is an index of Germany, D30. In some brokers, it is called D30. You know what is Dow Jones? You know what are the three indices of US? You know what are three indices of US market? Yeah, there are three main indices of US, which is treated like anything. across the globe. One is Dow Jones. Next is the Nasdaq. Then comes S&P, Standard and Poor. So in Dow Jones, it is just for information. I'm just sharing you. Dow Jones has nearly 30 main companies of US, 30 companies, and Nasdaq has NSD means Nasdaq. Nasdaq has nearly 100 companies. S&P means Standard and Poor. It has nearly 500 companies of US. So we can trade indices also. Okay. And my favorite is Dow Jones and DAX. Okay. Fine. Let me take a note for you. Yeah. Now we will see how to zoom in and zoom out the charts. Here you can see the zoom in. You can zoom the charts. You can zoom out here. Zoom out here, yeah. Now comes the time frames. Basically, this is the time frames. You can see here, right? M1, M5, H1, D. So basically, D means daily chart. So how much the price moves from high to the low in a day. That is called daily bar. For example, the euro today moves from here to here. You can see here 333. So 33 pips means 333 points euro has moved today. If you take H1, hourly one means in each hour you can see the prices. If you look very slowly in the bottom, you can see today's date. What do you, is it visible for you? Hello, can you hear me? Is it hello? Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Yeah, okay, fine. So this is a this hour candle. 17 means 5 o'clock. So you can see each hour the candles are forming. It's called hourly chart. If you go to 5 minutes, every 5 minutes there is a candle. So based on the trading style, like intraday, scalping and all, we can decide the candles. Yes. Yes, you will get the video. I'm not sure what is going on here. The net connection is pretty good. Okay, but no worries, no worries. You will get a recorder videos. Okay. Okay. Now how to now next thing is how to scroll to the charts. If you simply drag the charts like this, see the chart immediately comes to your end. So what you can do, you can go to this corner, this top corner. There is a scroll button is there. You can click here and disable it. So if you scroll here also, it won't move. Okay, fine. Now we will learn how to draw the lines. You know how to select the lines from here? Because we want to draw the line, support and resistances. That we will learn in the coming classes. But to familiarize you with the tools, you can see here. This is called the crosshair. Crosshair. If you just move this mouse from here to here, you can see three things. Four means number of bars. How many bars are there? 1272 means how many pips it has moved from here to here. And 1.1089 is the current price of the that candle. Okay, so you can measure the length using this crosshair. Okay, so you can measure how much length it has moved in a single day. Now we'll see, this is the horizontal lines. You can draw the lines from, isn't this one horizontal? You can change the color by pressing here. It's a blue one. So you can change the colors as you wish. Can you hear me once again? I'm seeing that some of people cannot hear me. Yes, I can. Okay, fine. This is a vertical lines, vertical lines, vertical lines. Okay. Now we can just clean this one. Clean. Just load our template. Everything is clear. Okay. And if you want a red on green, you can put that one. Yes. Now we will see how to make the orders from here. Just go to the new order. Okay, fine. You can go to the new order window here. So you can select the currency pair here, and here you can take the volumes. If you put one standard lot, you can give stop loss and take profit here. So we will try to execute some orders. Okay. So now we are putting one sell order. Yeah. So now it's a demo account. So now the order is executed here. And if you want to keep a stop loss, you can either keep a stop like this point, or you can just drag the stop like this. If you drag like to the bottom, you can give take profit also. So it is basically like a protection for your account. You are trying to limit your losses and get a required take profit. So this means that you think that the price can go down. In case the price goes up, okay, please help us to draw the line again. Okay, order window. Yeah. Okay, this is order window. This order window means you're trying to buy or sell the currencies. Trying to buy or sell the currencies here. So here you put an order, and you're just trying to protect your trade by keeping a stop loss. That means if the price moves against you, you are out with this much loss. Okay. And if you want to close it now, you can close it like this. You can close at the current price by clicking here, close. So now the trade is closed, and you can see the history. If you come to the history, account history, you can see the closed trades. So whatever transactions you have done, you can see here. For example, you can say last month. So whatever trades you have done, you can see here. So this is the area where you can measure or you can see your trades history. And in the trade section, you can see the current trades which is running. For example, I have put an order on GBP USD a few days back. So it is still running. It is still running. So it is seen in the trade section. If I close this trade, it will automatically come to the account history. Account history. Okay. Do you have any doubts on this one? If you put stop loss and reaches there automatically, yes, it will close automatically. Close automatically. For example, now I'm trying to put an order like this. I'm trying to put a take profit here. Stop loss here. So now the price is at 1.107774. So if the price reaches this take profit, automatically the price will be executed. So you can walk around, you can go to office, you can go to outside by keeping a stop loss and take profit. But most of the beginners won't keep a stop loss. Okay, that is why most of the people lose money, because we book small profits very fast and we don't book the stop loss. So that is why people lose money in trading, especially in forex trading. Okay, if you want to measure the pips, you can see here a rough idea. You just take this crosshair and take from here and just right click your left button of the mouse and just drag it. So you can see 55 now. Can you see 55? Yes. So this is the number of points it moved. It can move, and if you take one standard lot, you get $55 in that single trade. Yeah. Okay, fine. And some people always says they cannot see all the currencies here. So what we can do, there is a symbol called show all and hide all. So if you hide means you can see only less currency pairs. See. So if some pairs are missing from your market watch, just click here and press show all. Show all. Okay. So MT4 is a very user-friendly platform. Very user-friendly platform. It is a very old platform which I am using for many years. And most of the traders in this industry using MT4 for many years. Okay. Now we will see, try to put some indicators here. Have you heard about any indicators in trading? Moving averages, Bollinger Bands, any indicators you see? Okay. So just for the beginners, I'm just showing you. If you want to identify some trends, and there are so many indicators are here. If you want to find if you want to find a trend, the trend is basically like where does the market go, where does the price is going, like that. Okay, I'll show you one indicator. So moving average. So this is a very common moving average we use to identify the trends. Okay, though I am not a fan of indicators. Okay, so this shows that if the red line cuts the blue line to above, we can see trend is going up for time being. like that. We have a detailed class on the indicators and oscillators in the coming session. Okay, there we will discuss in detail about the indicators. Okay, this is just to show you that we can select the indicators from this area. Okay, so this is the area where we select the indicators. Okay. So do you have any doubts on this one? We have price action. Yeah, it's coming up. It's, I think, the next or the coming webinars we are having the price action topic is this is mainly for the beginners. Those who don't know about the platforms. This is to introduce about the platforms. And do you know what is a pending order? Pending order. For example, you think that where is a gold? Yeah, gold. My video is blocking. Okay, we'll take GBP. For example, this is a GBP JPY. Okay, pound with the Japanese yen. So the current price is trading at 141,770. And you think that if the price come above this level, for example, this level, 142,638, you only buy. Because you want to wait till the price reach above this level. And you want to go to your office. How you can do it? Can anyone tell? Do you know the answer? Yeah. Okay. Just go to the new order. New order. Instead of the market execution, just go to pending order and put buy stop. So now I am putting 142, 630, 638. So now we can see here one line is here. The order is here. See here on the bottom of the trade window. It is a pending order. The order is not being executed. So if the price reaches this price, automatically the order will be executed. Okay. And you know what is the main importance of trading? How do we make money in trading? We buy when the price is going up and we sell when the price is going down. So if you think that the price is gonna go down, what you can do? You can again keep a pending order. Sell stop. So I am putting an order at 141,480. See here, there is a sell stop is here. So when the price reaches this level, this order, it will be executed. Selling area. So it all depends upon your strategy and your idea, where the market goes and which position you need to carry. Okay. Fine. Do you have any doubts until one? What is spread? Yeah, you can see here. If you right click here, you can see the spread. So the spread is basically the difference between the buying and selling price. Okay, for example, you're trying to buy at this price, you get the price only at this price. So the difference is called the spread. It's called the brokerage or the spread. And you should always select a broker with a minimum spread. Okay. Yes. So is it okay? Can we stop loss in pending order? Yes. Yes, definitely. We can give a stop loss in pending order. For example, you right click on the pending order and you can keep a stop loss here, 142. So you can keep a stop loss in the pending order. Okay. But initially you will be doing mostly on the market execution. You will be always buying or selling on the current price. But once you learn the strategies and everything, you will understand how the price moves, price goes down or goes up. So based on that one, you will decide the pending orders. Okay. I'm canceling these orders. I just click delete here. So order will be deleted. Okay. Yes. Someone is asking, does it mean that I buy when a currency is cheap and sell when it is going to make a profit? Yes. For example, you see the gold here. This is a chart of gold. So if you know the gold prices, see here, I'm drawing a blue line here, a blue line. So 1473 is the, assume that this is the price of gold. Okay. And the gold is moving till this level, this red line. So from your learnings, you understand that the gold can go up from this blue line to this red line. Okay, from 140, 1473 levels to 1514 levels. So simply you can measure the pips like this. You can see nearly 4000 pips are there, points are there. Okay, so if you buy one standard lot of gold from here, buy one lot of gold, you would have got $4,000 in your trading account. But if you think, yes, you want to take only a small quantity, you can go for 0.1 lot, 0.10 lot. So based upon your equity, you can decide which lots to play. Okay. I think in the coming classes, you will learn what is a lot size, those kind of things you will learn in the coming sessions. Okay. This is just to get an idea about the platforms. Screen is blank. I think it is very clear here. May I know, you can see the screen, right? Is it visible screen? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so I think that's for Mt4 now. Now we will slowly go to the next platform, CTrader. Can everyone see the screen of CTrader? Yes. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Okay. See, it is a more of a very advanced software. Advanced software. Here it is. I will just glance through you the main areas. In the left side, you can see the markets, which are the popular markets which we can trade. Here you can see the forex pairs. Okay. and whatever currencies you would like to add. For example, you are trading only 5 currency pairs in a day, only 5 currency pairs in a day. So what you can do, you can make them in a small basket, that is called watch list. So you can click here, you can make to watch list. See my day trading or my scalping. Okay, and now if you go to this watch list, you can see in my day trading I'm using these many pairs. In my scalping I'm using these many pairs, and if I want to remove any of the pairs here, I can just remove here, as simple as that. Okay, so it is basically a list where you can save your currencies, your favorite pairs, because we have so many pairs in the forex, indices, crude, gold. So whatever you want to trade, you can just save in a small basket. Okay. And here, and the main feature of CTrader is here we can use the chart itself as a trading tool. Okay, for example, you click here. Okay, you can see the buy window and sell window here. If you click here, see the order is executed. Okay, I'll just go through some of the basics, then I will come into the order window again. And the right hand side you can see the order, the new order. The new order means you can select the selling or buying of currencies from here. Okay, if you want to sell here or buy from here, you can set the quantities here, how many quantities you need to buy or sell, you can select here. And you can see some features are there, but it is not very useful for a new beginners. Okay, we can see the depth of markets, you can see the volume, how much volumes it is coming on a daily basis. And you can see the market hours, which all markets are open now, you can see here. The simple information you can see here. For example, you take any currency pair. So based on that one, what is the information of the currency? You can see here. Swap long and swap short. Swap is basically like an interest rate. The broker takes from us, or we need to give them the broker the interest, the carry trades. Okay, for the beginners it is not much required. Okay, so we will focus on the trading, how to trade in a CTrader. Okay, you can just right click on the window, create a new order. You can see, you think that the price can go down, you can click sell here. You can select the volumes here, how much volume. For example, one standard lot, you've taken one standard lot for selling, just click the place order. And the main interesting feature of CTrader is you can simply drag and drop everything. You see here in the left side, just drag this line to the above, so the stop loss is set. You simply drag this line to here, the take profit is set. Okay, and if you want a bigger screen, you can go to the layout and just remove this one. So now you get a better view of the charts. You can again play this one. Yeah, I can show you one additional feature here. Okay. For example, can you see the current trade running now? AUD USD. Yes. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Can you see the prices moving down? No, there is no support and resistance session today. It is on the coming classes. Okay. So in this AUD USD is going down. Okay. So if you think that it can go again down, you can double the position here. There is an option here called double the position. So now you sold 100,000 AUD. If you click here, your order has been doubled. Okay. But you think, oh, the prices can go up again. So what you can do? You can reverse the trade here. So your sell becomes buy here. So you can reverse the position accordingly. See. So for scalping people, it is very, very useful. You don't have to go to the window and click sell or buy, nothing. Just be in the chart, be in the order window, just execute from here. You see a profit, just stop here. The order is closed. And if you want to close all the positions, if you want to close all the positions in a single click, what you can do? Close all the position. Okay. Is there any questions now? And if you want to set, the lot size, there is an option here, because some people are used to trade in volumes and some in lot sizes. So you can go to here, assets, and you can put as units. So when you click here, new order, instead of the lot size, you can see the volume, like 100,000, 1,000, like that. So if you take Euro USD, you can determine the volumes accordingly. Basically, you know the concept of volume and lot size. We have a separate session for that one. It's called 0.1 lot. 0.1 lot is called the 10K, and one standard lot is called the 100K. If you trade 100K, that is called one standard lot. Okay. And there is an additional feature here. There is called protective stop loss and take profit is there. Most of the traders, they say they put an order, but the price cannot reach the take profit. But it may reach the some more profits, then came down. So what you can do here, there is an advanced take profit feature is there. So you can set two take profits, TP1 and TP2. So now I'm trying to put two take profits for the same order. So in the Mt4 we have only one take profit, but in CTrader we can put two take profits, one level and second level. So if you just apply that one, you can see here, you have to take profits. You are understanding the concept? Now the price is at here, this green line. You buy the euro dollar at this price. The price, the 50% of the order will be squared off when it reaches this level, and the remaining 50% will be squared off. It reaches this level. So it's an advanced feature for the traders. There is a one way. So I advise you to open some demo account and practice it. Before our next webinar, you do some demo practices. Next webinar is coming within few days. So you can just have a play around in this demo for few days, and then bring with your questions. So the next webinar we can have a discussion on that one, because I know it is just like a one. I'm talking and you are listening. Most of the beginners will have so many doubts in their mind. So once you place the order and see the real price fluctuations only, you will understand. Okay. Okay. And here are some additional features are there. People who are in trading, they can showcase their strategy here, and people can copy their strategy, and you can publish your strategies accordingly, like that. If you are an advanced professional trader, you can publish your strategy, your trading performance here. Okay. Okay, and if you want to close all the positions, just click the order here, close all positions. So it is just squared off. So guys, any doubts? What are the advantages and disadvantages? Actually, there is no disadvantages, advantages. It is like a new software, new very advanced software, but it all depends upon your comfortability. I advise you to download both platforms, Mt4 and CTrader, and you try playing on both, and you see for yourself which is more comfortable. Okay, because I have been trading the Mt4 for many years. So for me, Mt4 is mainly a very friend of mine. So for me, Mt4 is good. But the new traders, many of my new students are using only CTrader, because they found very good advanced features are here. So you can try both. Okay. And here you can see so many time frames also, different time frames also available. In Mt4, we have only fixed 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Here you can see 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 2 hours, like that. So more time frames are available. And even you can see the tick charts here. Tick charts means every tick by tick, the price fluctuates. You can see here. But if your screen quality is very poor, it will take some time. So you can see in every 5 minutes, you can see each tick one by one, very fast execution. Okay, so that's guys. So back to the presentation. I think we have covered those things. CTrader. So we have discussed some features of the CTrader. And as I told you, please practice it. Keep on practicing it. Go to the Axiory site, open demo account, and keep practicing it. Yes, you get the recorder session. Yeah, I know some people could not see the screen due to the poor internet connection. You will definitely get the recorder session. Okay. Okay. And one more thing I need to tell, I think there is an offer from Actuary. Okay, so the people who are attending on this webinar, the complete webinars, they are offering one $50 live money for the clients. So you can practice on that one. It is really a real money. You can withdraw it with some conditions are there, but it's a real money. You can practice it and make some money. You can get a feel of it, the real trading. Okay, so I advise you to open the demo account and parallelly open a small account. So they will fund you, and you just experiment it on that one. Okay, yeah, fine. So no, you don't have to deposit anything. They are giving it's for education purpose, educational bonus, nothing else. It's for practicing and playing it. $50. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Disclaimer. Yeah. Okay. So if you have any doubts, just email on the Actuary email. Okay. This is my personal site. Those who know me, or those who don't know me, you can just go to my site and see about my students and everything. You can just have a like my Facebook page also, Midun's Money Market Facebook page. Yeah. These are some of my students who attend my training programs and mentorship. Yeah. Yeah. No, I don't have a Telegram channel. I have only Facebook. Okay. Facebook. Yeah. Facebook. Yeah. The site is midunsmoneymarket.com. Yeah. Thank you. And if you have any doubts, just email us. Okay. And we will definitely see in the next webinar. So next webinar is more interactive and more interesting in terms of charts, because we both are price action traders, and you can really learn some strategies from the next webinar. Okay. So hope to see you on the next webinar, and take care, and thank you for joining the program. And in fact, this is one of my first webinar in online, and yeah, thank you for the cooperation also. What broker can I use with CTrader? Yeah, yeah. Is it Lex? I'm just typing the broker name here. Yes, can we? Thank you. Okay. And do practice something on the demo and come with some questions on the next webinar. Okay. Yeah. Take care. So if any doubts, you can, there are 2 more minutes. Yeah. You can just email me. Yeah. This is more of an official webinar. You can just email me for the mentorship details. Yeah. The next webinar, you will receive an email. You will receive an email. Yeah. Education bonus means it is just it is a real money account for you. You just contact the company, and they will help you to open the real live forex trading account with real money, which is withdrawable money. Okay, if you make profit, you can withdraw the capital as well as the profit. Okay, Axel is a very good company in terms of spread and very execution. So you can definitely try with them. Yeah. Yeah, you can see the dates here. Yeah. So thank you guys. Have a very good night and take care, and we'll catch you in the next webinar. Bye bye.